So this is problem number 7 on the mth067 final review, multi-step applications. Your bank account balance is $536.17. You got a federal tax return check for $1,232.34 and deposited this into your account. You then bought a laptop computer which retails for $599.99 plus 6% tax, but the laptop is on sale for 20% off the retail price. After writing the check for the laptop, what is the new balance on the account? Alright, so we know that what we're really looking for is the new balance on the account. Well, if we set up a verbal model, the new balance is going to be equal to the 536.17, that was your original balance, plus the $1,232.34, that was the tax return, minus the cost of the laptop. So we can see what we need to do first is figure out what the cost of the laptop actually is. Well, we know the price of the laptop originally. It was $599.99. And we also know that we get a discount of 20% off of that price. So let's figure out the discount first. And this is a 20% discount. So that's going to be $599.99 times 20% as a decimal is 0.20. So when we do that calculation, we get $119, and then we're going to get 998, and we want to round to the nearest cent. Well, if we round to the nearest cent, that's always the hundreds place, but there's a 9 there, and when we look to the right, that's 5 or greater, so we would have to round up, but we can't round up a 9, so we go to the next digit. Unfortunately, the next digit is also a 9, so we'd have to go to the next digit, which is also a 9, so we go to the next digit. And so if we have $119.99.8, what we actually get, rounded to the nearest cent, is $120. Alright, so now we can find the sale price. Now we know that's the original price, which is $599.99, minus the discount, which is $120, and that'll give us $479.99. But we also know that there's 6% tax on this purchase, so we're going to figure out the tax. That's going to be our sale price of $479.99, and since it's a 6% tax, 6% as a decimal is 0.06. So we're going to multiply by 0.06. That gives us 28.7994, which when we round to the nearest cent, look to the right, that's 5 or greater, so we would round up, but our cents place, there's a 9 there, so we're going to have to go one digit over, and that's going to give us $28.80. That's our tax. So now what we want to do is we want to take and find out what the sale price with tax is. So our total price is going to be our sale price of $479.99 plus our tax of $28.80, and that's going to give us $508.79. This is the total price that we paid for the laptop. So the cost of the laptop we now know. So plug it in. It's going to be $536.17 plus $1,232.34 minus the cost of the laptop, which is now $508.79. And when you do this calculation, you're going to get $1,259.79 72 cents. And that is our final answer.